Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by acting now. Scrape out loose bits and add hot water until the scorch is submerged by 1 to 2 inches. Next, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the water, then pour 1 cup of white vinegar. The fizz loosens burnt food. Let it soak for 20-30 minutes while you prepare tools. You do this first to soften carbonized residue, making the next steps less abrasive and protecting the stainless surface. Once the soak has softened the stain, bring the pot to a gentle boil for 5 to 10 minutes. This helps dissolve stubborn carbon and expands metal pores slightly so particles release. Make sure to turn off heat and wait until it's safe to handle before scrubbing. Use a nylon scrubber or wooden spatula to avoid scratching. If residue remains, add a paste of baking soda and water and rub in circular motions. This mild abrasive lift you finish by rinsing the pot well and drying it with a microfiber towel to prevent water spots and mineral marks. If a faint ring or dark patch remains, make a paste of cream of tartar and water, apply to the area, then simmer briefly and scrub again. This targets deeper stains. If alloy discoloration or pitting occurs, try a commercial stainless polish. Troubleshooting tip: when nothing works, consult a pro before aggressive sanding to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.